going on?
I was driving by, I see this girl walking, I said, hey, need a ride? She said something stupid. Her boyfriend cut to me. I said, that's him right there. He started talking shit to me. I started pulling, what's up? I walked up by him, he started swinging on me. Got me on the ground, literally, he was on top of me, beating on me. I had to pull my little shit, try to slice his arm, just get him off me. I was just defending myself.
Where is that at now?
A couple streets back up that way. But the neighbors seen he came out, seen the guy on top of me, beating me. I couldn't get him off me.
Okay, the knife is a couple streets down?
No, it's in there.
Okay, the knife's in there.
It's just a little thing, little thing I use for work, fishing.
Like a pocket knife or like a big slave?
Yeah, pocket knife. I use it for fishing and stuff.
Who is she to you?
Nobody.
You don't know her?
I don't know these people. I was driving by, I said, hey, you need a ride? I asked her for a ride because she's walking down the street. The dude was behind her, in front of her. And I was saying, you want to need a ride? Somebody I'm going out with the store. She said something stupid. He said something. I came back because I asked for what? And he just jumped on me. He started beating. I mean, he had literally on the ground. He's a young kid, big boy.
So let me get this straight. So why were you in that area in the first place?
I live here. I was going to bed.
Okay, so you live over there.
Yeah, I live in 3 houses.
And you don't know this girl from
Adam? I don't know anybody.
You've never seen her before?
No, I've never seen any of these people.
So why did you offer her a ride?
I was getting a ride. I do that. I need a ride to the store or something. I'm going that way.
Was she in distress? Did she look to you to help?
She was walking. No, I think she was
okay.
She was walking by. I was seeing she wanted a ride. I did. I pick people up and give them a ride.
Okay. So after that, what happened?
I went back. He said something stupid. I went back, said what's going on, and they just jumped on me, started beating on me. Didn't even have to say it.
Were you inside of the vehicle?
No, I was out. I got out.
At what point did you get out of your car?
What do you mean?
Like you said, you offered her a ride. Were you on foot?
I went back. No, I went back, turned, parked, because they were talking shit to me. I was like, going to find out what's going on. I was trying to stop it, instigate it. He started pounding on me.
Okay.
I lost my scripts and everything. So that's why I'm squinting right now. I can't really see.
Okay. So you drove past them, and then you.
I drove. She was walking like 30 feet behind him. Just walking. Like
okay, so they were walking on the street. They weren't in the driveway.
They were walking down this way. I was going this way. I turned back around. She said something. I was like, she wanted to ride or something. So I stopped. And he started freaking. I didn't know they were together.
Okay.
He started freaking out.
So you drove past, and then you backed up.
No, I just turned on.
Okay, so you drove past them. You turned back around.
Yeah.
And then you re-engaged with them.
Yeah.
Okay. Were you on foot at that point, or were you in the vehicle?
I got out and walked up to him. I was like, what's going on? And he started swinging on me, man. So
For no reason?
Yeah, because he thought I was fucking with his girlfriend. I said, I didn't know your girlfriend. I'm sorry, I'll leave. And he couldn't get him off me. I'm on the ground, literally on my stomach.
When you approached her or him, like how did you do it? Like were you running? Were you speed walking?
I walked up to him. He said, walked up right up to me, man. I was like, well, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. I didn't try to start no shit with anybody. I was just going to the store and back. That's all I was trying to do.
Where are you hurt at?
I'm not really hurt. Just a little beat up. I just can't see. I wish I could go back and get my glasses, man.
All right. What's your name?
Eric.
Eric what?
Goldabini. Man, I'm a good guy, man. I work every day, man. I work my ass
off. Is this
off.
vehicle registered to you?
Yeah, it's mine.
Where's the knife at in there?
It's in a garbage and thing. It's a little freaking...
Is that what you were reaching for when I drove past you?
No, I was just trying to get my phone out. I was calling my girl.
Where's your girl at?
She's at home.
Okay. Just have a seat.
Please try to call her.
Yes, we'll get all that.
You're going to take me to jail?
No, you're just detained right now. We have to figure out what's going on. There's someone over there.
Yeah, I don't want no problem with these people. If I could talk to her or him, I'd just squash it right now, because I'm cool with everybody. I'm almost 60 years old. I can't be doing this.
Okay. Please.
All right.
Can I get the knife out of your car so I can look at it?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, please let me call my girl, man. I got money in my wallet.
I just want to grab the knife right now. Where is it at?
It's in the garbage bag where the shifter is.
Yeah.
The garbage bag is hanging from it. It's in there.
Okay.
Free iHeartRadio app. Serve all free games.